for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at the certified pre-owned 2023 Jeep Wagoneer Series 3 in Midnight Sky. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 9,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, second row heated seats, tri-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, Hurricane twin turbo engines, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7723.